Hey guys, so you're going to take a whole onion, red pepper, asparagus, and mushrooms. You're going to chop everything up nice and chopped up, and you're going to add some avocado oil and just do a quick stir fry saute and halfway cook. Now we're going to take some riced cauliflower from Trader Joe's, my favorite. You're going to add that to it. And we're going to keep cooking. We're going to take some Goya sofrito, or you can make your own. Do about a half a cup or so to taste. Going to add that in, and we're going to make sure to stir everything really, really well. And just make sure that you cook this for a couple minutes just to thaw out everything and cook it properly. And then we're going to take a handful of Spanish olives. I like to use Goya. Stir that in. Take about a tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm going to stir that in really, really well. Make sure you cook this really well until you see that the bottom has no more liquid and it's all evaporated. We're going to take some pepper. Some turmeric. I love turmeric. It's really, really good for inflammation. We're going to take some ground cumin and also add a little bit of salt. And we're going to stir everything up really, really well. And this is all to taste. I'm going to add some adobo to give it some Spanish flavor. And you're going to just taste as you go. I typically just eyeball everything. And we're going to make sure we cook it really, really, really well, making sure to continue to stir. And when you see that it is like a paella consistency, you're basically done. Very simple.